I'm Brown Russell, competing in the Masters 55 to 59 division in the Southwest region. This is going to be open workout 15.4 RX. Got a 20 kilo bar here from Rogue, 35-pound plate, another 35-pound plate, 415 pounds for my cleans, another 20 kilo bar from Rogue, and 25-pound plate here, and another 25-pound plate here, for a total of 95 pounds for my push press. Is everything visible?
Perfect.
I'm going to get your
Yeah, sure this.
yeah, you just had it. Okay, no one you get the, yeah, okay, all right.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, stop. You didn't
It's
start.
okay, that's all right, we'll do this
All right.
over. Hold on, I need this stuff. Okay, perfect.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3.
Oop.
3 cleans here. 1, 2, 3. 6 now. 2 sets of 3. All 6, sorry. 1. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. 3 cleans. 1, 2, 3. 9 push presses here, 5 and 4. 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, great. You're at 1 minute 32. A little ahead of schedule. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 3 cleans to go. Well, you're ahead of schedule, 1 minute 50. You're doing good. 1, 2, 3. 207. Okay, you've got 12 push presses here. Trying sets of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes 8. Yep. 4 to go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. You got 6 cleans. Just 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1 more here. You're right on schedule. Keep it up. 6. Okay? Get in a few push presses, you'll be right on schedule. That's 4 minutes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make 6. 9 to go. Just 3 more steps. 1, 2, 3. Makes 9. Alright, just 2 more steps of 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Alright, only 1 more set of 3 here. You're doing great. 1, 2, 3. That makes 15. Excellent. Okay, you got 6 cleans to do. 1. 2. 3. Alright. 3 to go here. Come on. 4. 5. 6. Excellent. You have 18 push presses here. That's just 3, okay? Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Okay. Doing really well, time-wise. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. 10 to go. Only 10 to go. You got more than a minute. You got a minute 20, minute 15 here. Pick up that bar. Do some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. So you have 6 to go. 6 to go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have a half minute. Pick it up, pick it up. 1, 2, one more. 3. Okay, got 6 cleans here. You got about 15 seconds. 1. 2. Got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, time. So you have 87.
December.